He pukapuka hou e hāngai ana ki tētahi wāhanga motuhake o ngā mahi whakairo ko whakare waina i te rangi nei. Nā tākuta Nārino Ellis i whakarārangi i te wā i panoni ai ngā mahi whakairo e tētahi whare wānanga o Ngāti Porou. E ai ki tēnei ri puata te o Hugh McLean, kua tohu aketia tēnei pukapuka hei rawa miharo o ngā hitori o ngā toi Māori.
He kura ka meha, he taonga tuku iho.
It's my koha to Ngāti Porou. It's my perspective.
Kei roto i te pukapuka nā kōrero mō nā mātana whakairo nei a hone me pine taiapa. He ai kia Alice nā te kura whakairo o iwi rākau rāua i ata ope ope.
What happened in 1930 and why I stopped there, and that's when Apirana Ngata started his carving school over in Rotorua, and so I thought that would be a really good period to stop. And naturally I'm starting to gather material on Pine and Hone Taiapa, and that's a project that I'd like to see sometime in the next few years.
Ko Natalie Robertson te kaitango i ngā whakāhua, he uri anō hoki no Ngāti Porou.
There were challenges in producing images because on the East Coast most of our meeting houses face east. So on the first day of shooting we had planned to go to a number of meeting houses, and of course the only ones that we could really photograph were those that we went to in the morning.
Ko teito te pukapuka nei he aro nui ki ngā whakairo ake o Ngāti Porou, me te manako nui a Nārino Ellis ka puta tēnei pukapuka ki ngā tōpito katoa o te ao.
I hope the book will inspire others to go and seek more about this area.
We'd like the book to advance an understanding of the iwi rākau School of Carving, the importance of it, the revitalisation, the continuation of this tradition.
He huarahi roa tēnei ko takahia e rāua tahi me te aha, he nui ngā tairo a kupe. I tēnei rangi, kua tutuki.
It's a huge just relief really. The book started off as my PhD, and that started in 97, which is a long time ago. And so that took 17, 18 years, and then the book took 5 years from start to finish, just because we wanted to get it right.
It's amazing. It's an amazing feeling. It's you do something that you hope is going to be of benefit to our people, and it's just such a it's just so exciting to see your name on the cover of a book as well. It's about something that was so close to our heart.
Hei tā Alice, ka whakatāia mō te rua tau kātahi ka aro anō ki te tuhi pukapuka hou. Te o Hugh McLean, te karere.